Welcome. Now I am going to discuss the program for the factorial of a number. As we know that the execution of a program starts from the main function. The factorial of a number can be identified for the positive number and it cannot be identified or calculated for the negative number. Here the local variables I am using is n and I, which are integer data types, and the factorial, which is initialized to 1 and which is a floating data type. The next statement is printf. Printf statement is used for the purpose of printing onto the output screen whatever we are writing within the double quotes. Here I wrote enter an integer. That will be printed on the output screen. Next statement is scanf. Scanf is used for the purpose of reading the values from the keyboard. Here I am reading the value of n, which is nothing but the value which I want to identify for the factorial of a number. So since n is a integer data type, so I am using the %d as the format specifier. Next I am using the conditional statement. If n is less than 0, if I enter any value which is less than 0, that means that it is a negative number. The negative number we can't able to identify the factorial of a number. So I am going to print some message onto the output screen. The message is error. Factorial of a negative number doesn't exist. If I enter any positive number in n value, I am not going to enter in this if condition. There we are using the else part. That else part consists of the for loop. The for loop which is used for the purpose of executing the same statement again and again. Here which is started from I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n plus I. If this condition, that is I less than or equal to n, then it is going to execute fact is equal to fact into I, or the shorthand operator for fact is equal to fact into I is fact star equals I. That statement will be executed repeatedly until I less than or equal to n. And for every loop the increment of I happens. After the condition fails, there in else part, the last statement which I am executing is printf factorial of %d, which is referring the variable n, equals %f, which is referring the variable fact. That fact consists of the value of factorial of a number. That closes the else part. Thank you.